Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to look at preliminary theory, initial value problems and also boundary value problems. Now let's start with the initial value problem. Here this question says y is equal to 3e power 2x plus e power negative 2x minus 3x is the solution to the initial value problem, and they have given y double prime minus 4y is equal to 12x, and we have two initial conditions, y of 0 is equal to 4 and also y prime of 0 is equal to 1. So when we have question like this, we have to find out whether this is a unique solution or not. That's the thing. Now to find out whether it's a unique solution, first we have to see where it's continuous. Now from this one we can see it's continuous, like 1 minus 4, 1 here we have 1 minus 4 and this 12x are all continuous in negative infinity to positive infinity, because you can see that we are not dividing anything by x or anything, like we are not dividing by y actually, because if we divide by y, the y can be 0, and in that case that will go to infinity and we cannot, that's not continuous, right? So here we don't have any situation that make this one not continuous. So this is continuous everywhere, so we can say this is continuous from negative infinity to positive infinity, continuous from negative infinity to positive infinity. And also we don't have any situation that's 1 is equal to 0. So this is a unique solution. Y is unique. Now let's look at the second one. Here we have x square y double prime minus 2xy prime plus 2y is equal to 6 has a solution. Y is equal to cx square plus x plus 3. Okay, here you can see when x square is equal to 0, actually x square is 0 when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, so this is violating the existence theorem. So we can say this is violating the existence theorem. So here we can say this unique solution may not exist. Unique solution may not, or you can say the solution may not unique or may not exist. Anything is okay. Now the next thing is we are going to look at the boundary value problem. Here the question is asking, consider the boundary value problem y double prime plus 16y is equal to 0 with y of 0 is equal to 0, y of 5 by 2 is equal to 0, and the solution y is equal to c1 cos 4x plus c2 sin 4x. Here we have to find out what is this c1 and c2. To find this one out, we are going to apply the given things. Here we have y of 0 is equal to 0. Let's go ahead and apply this one. So if we apply y of 0 for this one, here you can see this x is 0, this is x value and this is y value. So we just equate 0 is equal to c1 times cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, right? 4 times 0, that's 0, so that is 1. And sin 0 is 0, so the whole thing is going to be 0. From this one we can see c1 is equal to 0. Now let's apply the second one given. For this one, x is 5 by 2. Now let's go ahead and apply for this one. That's also equal to 0. Y is 0, so we equate y is 0. And c1 cos 4x, 4 times 5 by 2. So it's going to be 2 5. Cos 2 5, again that's 1. c1 1. And sin 4 times 5 by 2, that's going to be sin 2 5. Sin 2 5 is 0. Again this is 0. So both situation we are getting the solution for, we are getting the answer for c1. Okay. So this is also c1. For the first one also we are getting c1. For the second one also we are getting the c1. It means c2 is arbitrary. C2 is arbitrary. So it means there are infinitely many solutions. That's what it represents. So when we don't have any solution for C2, it means we have infinitely many solutions. And if you are trying to learn more about preliminary theory, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist, and also there are a bunch of videos about differential equation in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.